So, hello guys. Today we'll see um, question of the week. Sorry, question of the day, like problem of the day. Yeah. So surrounded the ones, right? So what we are supposed to do, we have to print a number of ones around which there is even number of zeros. Okay, around which simply means like in all directions from that particular one. Okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, so when we look at this one, we have 1 0 here, no zero, no zero. We cannot traverse there, not traverse there, not traverse there, not traverse there, right? So it has only 1 0 around its surrounding, right? So this is not the one we are looking for. Okay, so when we look at this one, it has 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros in its surrounding. We are not even looking for this one. It has 3 zeros. Yeah, this one we are looking for. This one, it has 2 zeros. Okay, so we have to see if there is we have to see the number of ones which are surrounded by even number of zeros, and the count of zeros is not zero, right? Even number of zeros, and it should be greater than 0. Okay, so we should code it, right? So let's go. Okay, um we have made di and dj two integer matrices to traverse in all 8 directions, right? So let's do it quickly. To nested loop. Let's take some variable. Let's say it, what? Let's say t, and t is equals to um, m of I dot size, right? Yeah. Let's go. And z is equals to 0, j less than t, and j plus plus. Fine. So in this way we can traverse to, now we have two loops so that we can traverse to every element of this m, right? Yeah. So now, yeah, let's first check if, like, look, we'll check all the surrounding elements, and in the end we find we are checking for some element which was not one. Okay, so this is first check if the particular index for which we are looking in surrounding, if it's one or not. Okay, so let's do it. If m of I j equals 1, if this condition holds, then we'll go further. Okay, so let's make a loop here. Yeah. Okay, we'll need two variables actually. Int a is equals to di of k plus I. Int b is equals to dj of k plus j. Yeah, yeah. So we'll now check root conditions, right? We'll now check for the edge cases. So a should not be greater than equals to n, or b should not be greater than or equals to what, t, or a should be less than. Okay, there's some mistake from my end. A should be greater than 0, b should be greater than 0, a should be less than equals to n, b should be less than equals to t. Okay, um I'm sorry guys, I should have actually I was thinking to do it otherwise, so let's do it again. Yeah, So it's okay. What we are trying to do now, if the iterator, like if a and b goes out of the scope of the matrix, then we will continue that iteration. Okay, we'll look for another iteration. So what we'll do, if a's value less than 0, yeah, b's value less than 0, or a's value greater than or equals to n, or b's value greater than or equals to t, right? So if these things happen, then we will continue the iteration. Okay, because these are invalid iteration, like these are the number which are invalid. Fine. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do, yeah, now we'll um, like see what we are doing, we are iterating in the surrounding. Okay, so we should make a count over here, and c is equals to 0, right? Now if m of a b equals 0, c plus plus, fine, and here we should do what? Okay, after this for iteration, right? Like see, we are looking for all the counts, and then after this I'm confused with braces a little. Yeah, this one is here. So after this for loop, or I must say after this for loop, yeah, fine. Okay, let's come out of this if loop as well. Okay, that don't add so much of things. Okay, let's do it over here, right? So what we'll do, we'll check if c is not equals to 0 and c percent 2 equals to 0. Okay, so हमारी count भी even है और count हमारा 0 भी नहीं है, right? Here I missed it. Fine. So if so, answer plus plus, right? We have not declared answer, so we should declare a variable int answer equals 0. Fine. And now yeah, we should return answer. I don't know if it will work or not. Let's see. Yeah, it's working good. Let's submit it. Okay, so it passed all the test cases. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Keep liking, keep subscribing.